Hi guys, it's Zephyranthes back again with another start to finish Gunpla build. This is the continuation of the Zephyranthes build on the RX78 GP01 Zephyranthes. And what we see here, if I just get the camera for a minute, is everything to do with the legs. You've got the right leg and the left leg. Okay? Now, before I continue, I wanted to talk about undergating. In some of these Bandai's models, even some of the knockoffs are doing it now as well. There is undergates, and basically, what that is, that's a part of the sprue that's still attached when you cut it off of the sprue. As a prime example, if I go with this part here, okay, right, we go with this part. On this part you had to cut it off here and here, and then here, just there as well. But the undergate, as you can probably see, it's, are we going to zoom in? There we go. You can see it's actually just underneath it, and it's very simple to remove. You will just get your clippers and snip away. There you go, and that's it. Done. Now, the manuals do tell you when there is an undergate. If I go to the manual here and see if I can zoom in, yeah, well, not zoom in, but put it close. But can you see that little triangle there? That's telling you to beware there is an undergate. Okay, so you always make sure if you see that little triangle, cut it off before you put it together. Otherwise, it's not going to fit. Okay, so just bear that in mind. And if we look down here as well, you've got just here, it's got some more undergates in that part, which is E15. And if I can get E15, which is this here, just there. Oh no, hang on, right. Don't know if you can see that, but you can just about see the undergates that are on there. They need to be snipped off. So I'll do that now, and if I can get this to zoom in nice and tidily, there you go. And we've got one undergate that's just there, and one that's just there. Just make sure they're snipped off, as I say, otherwise they're not going to fit. So I just wanted to talk about the undergates first, just in case you didn't know what they were and how to look out for them in the Bandai model kits. Some knockoffs, as I said, are doing them now, doing undergates as well, so it's just something to be aware of whenever you see that. When I come across one on the knockoffs, I will obviously let you know so you can see it. But for the legs, that's all the undergates there are for the legs. So let's say, just wanted to get that out of the way. Right, so anyway, going to be building just the right leg. We're not going to worry about the left leg just yet. So that's just staying over there. I'll build that off camera later. And first of all, we want the ankle unit, which is this part here. And according to the instructions, it's telling me to lift this up 90 degrees, pull that part down 90 degrees. So it looks like that. This is part of the new inner frame for the feet, by the way. Then I'll just put that down. I then get this part, oops, this part here in that position, that way down. I get this part, and facing that way round, I slide this into there. Do I slide it in or just push it? I'm guessing I'm pushing it all the way in to there, like that. Okay, that's what it's telling me to do, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Then we get our foot, and this, according to this, fits on there, just like that. Really? Does it go all the way in, or is it just like that? Come on, a bit more then. Come on. Yeah, oh, there we go. Don't know if you heard that, but it was a slightly satisfying thud as it went in. So we've got that part there. Then it's telling me to pull this back up, just like that. Okay, put that down. Turn the page. Turning the page. Turning the page. Right. Now, oh, bugger it. That's it. That was an earthquake. Actually, it was an earthquake. I just knocked the camera. Right. So next, we get the leg frame. This is the real grade leg frame here. Now it's not telling me to do anything else to it other than in this position. So this is towards the front facing you. You pull this down. Come on. Oh, that's tough. There we go. Like that. Now, once we've got that, we then need to get this small part, and that fits in here. Like that. Okay. And then we get this part, which goes that way round, and that goes, okay, if you match those holes and line them up, then it should slide on nicely like that. We get the other side and do the same thing. Like so. So that then looks like there. And then we get our leg, our foot, and just plonk it on the inside the leg there. Right, okay. So that's that part done. Okay, then we get these. And these are actually hang on, let's see if we can get a zoomy. Right, you can see that notch just there. That obviously fits on the notch that's on the top there, so just make sure of that when you put this on, otherwise it won't stay in place. Same with the other side. Notchy and notchy goes in there. So that's that. And then there you go, not that one. We get this one facing that way round, like that. Okay, so that looks like it's going to go in through there. Then we get this part, the other side of it, and that's supposed to fit into there, like that. Right, like that. Then we get this part, and that's supposed to go underneath. So that's supposed to like that. And where are you going to go? At the back here. In there? No. Now, how are you supposed to go on? Hang on. Right, is there something that needs? Where does that go? That's somewhere in the... Oh, right. Oh, I see. It goes just in the middle, just in this little hole. See that little hole just there? I don't know if you can see it too clearly because my fat finger's in the way. Right, hang on. Let's see if we can get it to zoom. Focus, yeah. That little square peg, hole, right in the centre, that's where that goes. Oh, well, in theory, there we go. No, that's it. There we go. Okay. Oh, wait a second. Hang on. Is that supposed to go in? Oh, balls. I think I've done something wrong here. Hang on a second. Hang on. Yeah, yep, I've done something wrong. Okay, hang on. Right. Let's just unhook. Let's unhook that a little bit. Right. Now, see that little ball joint? That has to fit inside there. Now, I didn't do that earlier, so you have to make sure that that's in the ball joint. And then you can close this back up. I've got a funny feeling that's obviously going to be needed. Right. So, now let's get this back on. Come on. No. You're not supposed to come off again. No. Behave yourself, will you? Right. Dagnammit. Right. Let me just move this out of the way because that's for a minute. Let me get this back on there. And right, so what's stopping you? Why ain't you? Okay, so that's in there. And then that goes in there. Come on. That's better. Right, there we go. And then I can bring this back in. Like that. There. That's better, right? Right, that's how it should look. Okay, right. And then okay, right, then I'll just put that down. I will then get C1 and C4, which is, this is C1, this is C4. Now I'm going to put this in now anyway, but what I'm going to want to do, because this kit is so detailed, I'm going to be painting certain parts in here, mask them all off, paint certain parts black, and it's just going to look really good. But for now, this way round, like so. These, you can see it's like that. Yeah, that way round. That have I got it right? Let's make sure I've got it right. So one, that goes in there. No, come on. No, come on, get in there. No, let's try that again. I think I'll get the tweezers and try that again. Right, so line it up in there. Just that in there like that, so you can see those little things hanging out down the bottom. That's what we're wanting. Right. So once that's done, we fold those upwards just like that, and then it's telling me to put that into there, like so, and then get this part which is telling me to put into there like that. Okay, so there's that part done. Next, we get this part, and this is one of the other parts that's got an undergate on, so I need to just quickly trim that off. Get our foot, and this goes somewhere. Does it go there? Okay, there should be. Where is... No, there isn't. No, hang on. Right, 1, 2... Oh no, that doesn't go on yet. I see. We get this part here. Then we've got another smaller one of those little runny type doobies. And again, these facing that away, plop in a hole. I'm gonna have to use my tweezers yet again. I hate using tweezers, especially these crappy ones. I need to invest in some decent tweezers, yes I know. Right, so that goes in there. And just make sure that's in there, just like that. Then fold them up. They're already folded up. What am I missing here? Oh no, that's interesting. Right, okay. Looking at the instruction. Oh, cap holes. That's what I've done wrong. I haven't put this on. Right. After we put this wide bit on, we need to put this bit on the top of it. I knew that. I knew that. And these two holes should line up with that there. So hopefully, if I can get that in the right place. And come on. There we go. I think that's about it. Okay. Yeah, because it's not going in any further, so that's that bit. Now we go back to our part we've just done, which is this. And that slides on to here. Oh, without them falling apart, obviously. Okay, come on. In there. In there. Let's try that again. Right. Okay. Push them back in. Push it in there like that. Okay. And so that's that. Then this will slip into that hole just there, like that, and we get this final part here, which should slide onto the toe guard there. And I believe that's the foot now done. So once we've done that, there's a couple of parts I need to prepare, so just put that on the side. We're getting this part here, and this part here, and this facing that way. This part should fit in here, just like that. Should. It seems I've got the right side on that one. Should have. Yeah. Yep, okay, so that's that side. Let's do the same for the other one. And it goes there. Okay. Make sure this is pushed in all the way. There we go. That's better. Right, so that's those two bits. So then we get this one facing that way. Get the leg, and that will fit on that hole there. So then do the same on the other side. Now, real grades, I know from experience that you can, the tabs and that are good and they'll hold the part in, but they're also quite easy to pop apart. So I'm not too worried about that at the minute. Right, so that's that done. Then we get D120. Oh, what's that little bit? Where does that little bit go? Do I need that yet? I think I'm missing something here. Hang on. Right. Yeah, but what's that? Oh. Wait. Have I missed another bloody part? E16. I think I've missed a part. Yes, I have. E16. Let's have a... I think I've missed a part. E16, yep. Okay. It's E16, so I might as well get the... Obviously, if I've missed it there, I've missed it on the other one as well, and I have. So get those out. Oop. Right, so that's that there, that's that there. Right. Right, this is E16, and this is supposed to go like that, and this part here is supposed to go on there like that. Okay, I apologise for that. And have I missed something else? Because I've got a little tiny something still sitting there. Right. This. Don't know what that's for. I think I might have pulled that out by mistake, which is possible. Let's have a closer look at this here to make sure. No, I can't find that part anyway. So where did I get that part from? Oh well, I'll find it, never mind. Right. Anyway, so we're back to here. So now I've got that part on. We get D120, and that fits in there. Like that. And then we get F8, which will slide into there. Just like that. Okay, next up is this, and then with this, with this little bit facing that way, that going that way, that will slide in into there, just like that. And then again, this side facing this. So remember, this one had undergates on. This Just like that. And create like little tiny vent type things on there. Okay, so that's that done. Then this goes onto here, like that. Nope. Like so. So that fits on there, like that. And then we get this back piece. Come on, come to Papa. This back piece here, which will then fit into there. And we get this piece, which fits on there. Come on, fits on there. There we go. Fits on there. This is there supposed to be a bit of a gap in there? Not too sure. Is that supposed to? That's on right. Yes. Pull that off a minute. Just try and line it up so where that goes. Where does it go? Right. Aha. Under, I see where, that's it, that's the way it goes, right, that's better. Okay, right. Now we've got that, now we take one of these, and this way round, that goes into the hole there. Hole there. This one goes onto the other side, into the hole again. Come on, into the hole. I said in the hole. In the hole, as well as lining everything up so everything all slides in nice and neatly. That goes there. This part that way slides on there. Just like that. And I think so I've got, because I've got that there as well. There. Am I sure I'm missing? I'm missing something here. That's worrying me. I think because I think they are just mistakes. I'll leave those because I might need them for another one. But anyway, this is the leg now fully built, and just so you can see some of the articulation on how this works, if we can bend the leg, as you can see things start moving, and we can bend this part here, right? Okay, there we go. You can see where this has moved and started separate, and if I move it back up, hopefully you can see the knee joint goes down, and then hopefully the armour will fall back into place, just like that. Oh, I love these models. That piston in there actually moves up and down, which I didn't realise it did when I first put it on. The toe moves slightly as well. But there you go, that's the leg, all done. Right, look at that, that just looks awesome, doesn't it? Let's see if we can get some close up here. There you go, look at that. Some of the detail on this is just awesome. Look at that. Now these, remember these do move. Get one into there. One goes down like that. And these ones should also move as well. There you go, look at that, see? You've got little clippy things you can clip onto things. Love it. Let's close those back up now. But there we go. That's the right leg built. Now I'm going to do the left leg. You don't need to see that on camera because you've already seen it once. Let's just clean up that little piece there because that's not a nice one. There we go. And once I've done the other leg, the next part we'll be onto is the waist unit. So look forward to seeing you guys then when we do the waist unit. Right guys, as always, have a good one. And I will see you on the next part of the build. This is RLC321 saying bye bye.